Good morning, dear children. Yesterday we had dealt with the hydrides and saline hydride as well as covalent hydride. Today I will tell you in this video about the metallic or non-stoichiometric or interstitial hydrides. So D and F block elements form this type of hydride. Do you remember D and F block? First and second group are S block elements, then group 13 to 18, group 1, 2, S block 13 to 18, P block, and then 3 to 12 में D block. And in D block, if you remember, F block also is present, that is given in the periodic table. Okay. So where is the position of the F block? D block के नीचे अगर तुमने देखा होगा तो actinoids and lanthanoids हैं. The series is too long, therefore it is placed in the bottom of the periodic table. Fine. So the D and F block elements form this type of hydride. Which type of hydride beta? Metallic, or it is also known as non-stoichiometric or interstitial hydride. Interstitial means क्या बेटा? जो metal है उसके अंदर में interstitial spaces में hydrogen is there. बट एग्जैक्टली इट इज़ नॉट द सेम. पहले ऐसा सोचा गया कि वो इंटरस्टिशियल स्पेसेस में होते हैं हाइड्रोजन. मेटल्स ऑफ ग्रुप 7, 8 एंड 9 दे डू नॉट फॉर्म हाइड्राइड्स. याद ही रखना है. फ्रॉम ग्रुप 6 ओनली क्रोमियम इज फॉर्मिंग हाइड्राइड, दैट इज क्रोमियम हाइड्राइड. अनलाइक सेलाइन हाइड्राइड दे आर ऑलमोस्ट नॉन स्टॉक्योमेट्रिक, दैट मीन्स डेफिशिएंट इन हाइड्रोजन. प्रॉपर प्रोपोर्शन नहीं होता है, सो दे आर डेफिशिएंट इन hydrogen. Like if you see lanthanum La hydride, so its hydrogen is 2.87. This figure you are finding, this is not roundabout figure, so it is known as non-stoichiometric. Then Yb H 2.55 again. Then titanium hydride 1.5 to 1.8 hydrogen percentage नहीं, proportion. Then zirconium same way hydride 1.3 to 1.75. Vanadium hydride so 0.56. This is 0.56. Okay. Then nickel hydride 0.6 to 0.7. Then palladium hydride 0.6 to 0.8. As I told you earlier it was supposed that hydrogen occupies interstitial spaces of metal, इसलिए इसका नाम इंटरस्टिशियल हाइड्राइड रखा था. बट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपन्स नाउ, स्टडीज रिवील दैट एक्सेप्ट हाइड्राइड्स ऑफ निकल, पैलेडियम, सेरियम, एक्टिनियम, अदर हाइड्राइड्स हैव लेटाइस विच इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ पेरेंट मेटल. यानी अगर वो इंटरस्टिशियल स्पेसेस में होते तो उनके लेटाइस में कोई फ़र्क नहीं आता, बट द लेटाइस इज़ डिफरेंट. Okay, this property of absorption of hydrogen or transition metal are used in transition metal are used in catalytic reduction. So if you remember hydrogenation reaction में we used to write nickel catalyst or palladium catalyst etc. So catalytic reduction or the hydrogenation reaction for preparation of a large number of compound. If one reaction I want to show you, if I here write hydrogenation यानी C2H4 plus H2, so in presence of nickel or palladium catalyst, it will give us C2H6. Ethane will be formed. So C2H4 यानी C2H4 double bond will be there. And with hydrogen this double bond is now converted into single bond, so it is CH3CH3. So this is known as C2H6. Okay. Then so this is used for catalytic reduction of, or this is also known as hydrogenation reaction for preparation of a large number of compounds. Are you getting my point? So again I repeat, this property of absorption of hydrogen of transition metals are used in catalytic reduction or hydrogenation reaction of preparation of a large number of compounds. Some metals like platinum, palladium can accommodate a very large volume of hydrogen, and so they can be used as hydrogen storage area. Okay. Now the last topic which is given by GSEB in this lesson, that is structure of hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. So H2O2 is a non-planar structure. If you see the non-planar structure of H2O2, so H2O2, different bond angles and bond length we have to remember. This OH bond length is 95 picometer and this O and O bond length is 147.5 picometer. Okay. Then this bond angle is 111.5 degree and this bond angle is 94.5 degree. Then this side 98.8 picometer. ये कब है बेटा? ये गैसियस फेज में है. दिस इज इन गैसियस फेज. Gaseous phase में you can see the difference between bond angles and bond length, and here the difference is there from the gaseous phase, that is 98.8, 145.8, 101.9 and 90.2 degree. Okay, so the lesson is over. The questions which you have to do, you have to write in your notebook. Okay, thank you.